Scuba diving in Jupiter, Florida. Oh my God, was that fun. You want to know more? Stay tuned. Be right back. Just keep diving. Kayalami. You don't see that boat, you are on the wrong website. So, Jupiter Scuba Diving, JupiterScubaDiving.com is their website. Kayalami Charters. Guys, if you don't see a big red boat saying Kayalami on it, you're on the wrong website. There are two Jupiter Scuba Diving centers. I think it's JupiterScubaDivingCenter.com and JupiterScubaDiving.com. The only scuba diving you're going to be doing in Jupiter, Florida is drift diving. Both charters have the same thing, drift diving. Kayalami is an awesome boat. They're an awesome crew. Joe, Janine, Anna, is it Janine? I believe it was Janine. She handled the boat. She was the first mate. I think Tom was the captain. Tim was the captain. Maybe Mike. I can't remember the captain's name. He was awesome too. We were just overwhelmed, basically. So, drift diving. This is the place to learn to drift dive. Kayalami crew is awesome. They put you in the water, make sure you're doing okay. You come up, you get to learn how to use your safety sausage. Ha! First time we ever did that since we had them in 2 years. Thing about drift diving, you may not see what everyone else sees. The day we dove, everybody saw turtles and they saw sharks and they saw just different things. We saw eels, rays, and a turtle. Other people saw hammerheads. Some people saw a gray reef shark. I mean, they're Joe and them will find it. This is our first time really drift diving, so we didn't know how. We stayed at the reef. We stayed at the ledge. We did the 70 foot. We did what we were supposed to. That being said, we didn't swim with everyone else. Everyone else kicked their way somewhere else, and we're off and running. Now, the Kayalami crew, whenever you order your dive, you automatically do the dive guide. There is going to be, not a dive guide, a dive master, a safety diver, going to be there with you within area all the time. Now, she's going to be hanging on, because it's probably going to be one of the two she's going to be hanging on to the dive flag. So if you want to get anywhere near, if you're having any problem, you start signaling you're in trouble, and she'll get to you. If you're on the surface, they got you covered. They are right there. You inflate that safety sausage, and they will be right there. You do exactly what they tell you to do, and they'll have you back on that boat. If you cannot get back on the boat, they will get you back on the boat. There is nothing I can't say that's bad about these guys. They gave us a great place to eat afterwards. I'm looking at their website right now, and they do dive reports, dive sites, book a dive. Guys, when you book this dive, I promise you, it is worth it. There's a couple of hotels that are really close. Their Kayalami trip starts at $65, and it's a 2-tank dive. That's what they have. They leave out about 10:30 in the morning, depending on tides, weather conditions. So anytime you get there, you make sure you call them and let them know you're in. They don't have a shop per se. They've got a trailer that's got all their gear, and they've got their shirts and stuff like that. And then they're out of a tiki bar, and the pier is straight out from the tiki bar. So you can come back, get something to eat, and continue your day. Do what we did, come back, followed them somewhere else, and had a great time. These people truly care about you. They want to know who you are. They want to know what's going on. We celebrated our 10th anniversary. We celebrated our 50th dive. Congratulations. My wife and I didn't think we were going to get here. So anyway, Kayalami Charters, you guys are awesome. I'm going to do whatever I can to make sure that you get as much likes, and I'll put some photos up here in a little while. Just keep diving, guys. Scuba diving on a budget. See you later. It's Chris.